Today we're going to talk about what you need to give your chickens when there is blazing heat, even when there's not heat. I'm going to have everything right here on the screen for the benefits of using Mana Pro's Hydro Hen. So I have a bunch of little bags of the Hydro Hen that I really like, because if I ever have a client or a friend that's starting out on chickens, I can give them one of these good old Hydro Hen bags. Every seed, a little prayer, growing dreams out in simple treasures. They're worth more than gold, like a handle. Just like that, the chickens are good to go, and the waters that I'm using are Flock Party, and they've been staying strong. So y'all let me know what you do for your chickens during the hot weather, even all the way into fall and winter. And I'll see y'all later. Where the small town hearts in the porch lights ignite. Evening falls and fireflies dance. Kids run round in a barefoot trance. Kites tell stories by the light of the moon, singing